Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here. In today's video we bring you from Wing Chun, taking a trap from a Gan Sao, but also learning how to counter trap and working through a problem scenario where people hold on and it's hard to break their grip. But before we do that, I need you to go to the boxes, click a like and subscribe, and click the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support and have a great day.
Okay, two-hand Chi Sao. We're going to work on taking a trap and then countering a trap. So we're going to start from Luk Sao roll. But before we even get into the rolls, the Bong Sao arm is going to take the Gan Sao. So as we rotate, I'm rotating across. My Bong Sao is going to drop down to take it. So we have to look at something. Remember, these arms are on springs, right? The energy is always going forward. So if I drop here, he's just going to punch me in the face. So the key here is making sure is as I rotate and I drop that my Wu Sao comes up, step across, and take the trap. So again, from Luk Sao roll, I'm going to come down, keeping my elbow in here also. As I drop down, I change hands, step, and trap. So one more time. From Luk Sao, I step, the Wu Sao comes up, I take the trap across, Pak Sao palm strike check, and palm strike to the chin. Okay, let's take it on the other side. So just a little bit of a different angle. I'm going to cheat a little bit. So from our roll, I step down to make sure this is covered because that hand will fire. Take it across and strike. So just for your edification, a fighting application to this is you line up cross arm. Keith shoots the jab, comes in. I'm going to step with the jut, gan, check and hit. So if that was a single, so again, jut to gan, check and hit. But you know, as soon as I block the one, he's going to fire the second shot. Okay, so let's make it a little bit more fluid. I'm going to come across, jut to gan, check and hit, check and hit. Okay, so let's counter the trap. So working our way through here, there's one thing you need to know about traps. You're always one step out. So first take the trap. Keith comes in and takes this trap. People panic and they try and push force against it. So the rule in any martial art is never fight force with force. I need to bring this arm out, but I'm always one step out of a trap. And it doesn't matter which way I step back, I'm always one step away from the trap. Okay, so let's take it again. He's flowing through, he takes the trap, he comes through, I'm one step. So you can counter this with Bong Sao, or you can counter it with Kwan Sao, it doesn't matter. So again, I'm going to take my release step. Here's my Kwan. I'm going to take the Tan, push it forward, and strike, and strike. But you will get some people who are going to hold on to that trap, which is going to work to your benefit. So again, he comes through, takes the trap, I release. So here, some people will hold on. This works to you. So if they hold that tight, it's a good game for your own trap. You're going to take that arm down, trap, pull against it, pull on it. So the more he pulls here, the more it holds the trap, and you've taken your own trap. So we're going from Chi Sao into trapping range into counting the trap. Let's do it one more time. Moving through, I come through, I cover, I go for the trap, he holds on, and I strike. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to shoot it one more time for the angle so you can see the hold with the trap. So same technique. Keith's going to come in and he's going to do his trap. And as he comes in, here's my step back as I come through. So let's just cheat a little bit this way. So here's the trap he's holding with, and I'm dealing with this punch. So as I take the lop, some people will hold tight for me. So the lop comes in and I rotate this hand down and form my own trap. Now, if he lets go, it's no problem. But some people, you never know what you're going to get in a fight. Some people will hold, some people won't. So one more time. Just flow with it. He's going to come through my one, my two, and here's my trap. If he lets go, it's great. And then we're back right back into fighting range. It doesn't matter. And then you deal with the next hand. Okay, so just make sure you have it on both sides.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered. And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.